Okay, here we have the necessary parts. Here's the dovetail arrangement. That one just simply sits on the ceiling, that's underneath. They slide together. Bingo. Now this is how it goes together. Excuse my backhoe. Here's the tripod socket. So this has to line up with that. I put a little mark there just while I learn to do this. That pushes down pretty hard. Wiggles along a little bit. Pushes down hard. This will often click in once in exactly the right position. There it is, ready to go. Projector, ceiling bracket, whoops, wrong way, taper, it lacks in there, it's give it a bit of a push, locks in solid, solid as. Open the projector, hang it from the ceiling, ready to go.